This is Ground Media UG. Godbess Entertainment.
Some of them I imitate, so some of them I imitate. Some we original, some of them are copycat, some of them are copycat. I mean the some we original, some of them I imitate, so some of them I imitate. Some we original, some of them are copycat, so some of them are copycat. Some of them are like me, some of them are not. Instead of like me, better we have.
The future is waiting for you. You're amazing, man. You're amazing. One more time for Deo, ladies and gentlemen. This is not easy to do. Right now, talent works. You have to make sure that your child everywhere can get a job because you're never sure of anything. What if he doesn't become a doctor? What if he doesn't become an engineer? If the boy can sing, if he can kick a ball, if the boy can play an instrument, let him do that. Make sure that everywhere your child has a place to go, has a route to take, okay? So this is my last song today that I'm going to do, and I hope you can sing along with me. Right back to the selector. Level selector, it's not that one, it's the next one. Alright, this was 2005. back a little bit. Yeah, love was a sin, sitting up some low. Love for you, Tawanya. When so fool, when she be there. Come on, ladies. Send my name. We made it a cool way. Somebody say, I hope you remember this one. Say, como sana wakomuti, ekubashi muyaga, enakuno wafuteli chinizi takukwe. Hani wange, neno kunze sicha kuchichano, kunubalo gambo, sicha wana.
Ground TV, 100% entertainment.